Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I just received BOLZANO for, I think this is July's bag. I'm gonna say this is July's bag. So do you wanna know what I received and what kind of bag I got this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and see what is in this month's bag. BOLZANO does send me this free for review to show you guys. So thank you so much, BOLZANO Bags, for sending me your bag to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So let's go ahead and see what kind of bag we have and what accessories we're gonna have inside. I'm always so excited to see which bag we get every month. So let's see what's in here. So it always comes in a mailer bag that I do remove, and this is the duster bag that's inside. And it has their little ribbon and their tag right here for you to take off. It says, "You deserve it. Be spoiled." So now on the inside, the purse that we got for this month, are you ready? Is right here. Ooh, and that is a blue. I don't think I've ever received anything like that. And you guys know blue is my favorite color. So that is really, really cute. So I'm sure we have some other straps that are going to be down inside of it. But the outside of it, there's BOLZANO right there. And it looks like there's two little side pockets here. Oh, and you can even toss something down in here. So you can put something in here, or you can use the actual zipper. So both sides are exactly, yep, the same. And then there is this side pocket back here as well. So there's a lot of little storage going on the outside of the purse. That is really cool. I love pockets and I love zippers to keep everything all inside. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's take the goodies out because they do give you some goodies in here. Oh, and there is this hair. That must be an extra. That's an extra added bonus because that's not my hair. My hair is too dark for that. It says mini wireless speaker, and it says sucking disc bracket. Okay, I'm not sure about that. I guess maybe it'll attach to the back of, is that the back of a phone or something? I'm not quite sure, but it says 2.5 hours of playtime. There's that. So that's a little speaker. It says it's compatible with iPad, iPhone, laptop, and a phone. So you have a little wireless speaker. It reminds me of like Toad from Mario Brothers. Like that's what that reminds me of. So inside here, there's more stuff. There's a lot more stuff in here. So let me pull all of this stuff out so we can get to the strap so we can finish the bag. And then we can get into all the rest of the accessories. So, okay. So it gives you two. You can just do a regular handle strap if you want just like that. Or you can put in the long strap. So I like that. So you get to choose either or. And you put it right here. So you can do the little strap, or you can do the big strap. I'm gonna just put the little one on for now, so I can get at least a strap on here. Get a strap on here. Okay, so there's that. And then if you were to, oh, on the inside, I'm sure you wanna know what's in here. Oh, there's still more stuff in here, hold on. Okay, so now everything is out. Now you can see right here is a pocket, right here and right here. So you have two, I can get my fingers in there. We have two, jeez, there we go. We have two pockets right here. 1 and 2. You have this middle part that's a huge zipper. Yep, there's that. And then on this side, you do have another little zipper pocket as well. So you have a whole lot of storage going on. So on the outside, you have a zipper and a pocket. A zipper and a pocket. You have a zipper. In the inside, you have two pockets, a big zipper separation in between, and then another zipper pocket over here. And let's go ahead and get this closed up so we can, there we go. So you can put it like this and just carry it like that, or you can put in the longer straps and have it way longer. I think that's actually really cute and a really good size. And I love the color. So there's that guy. And I like they give you the duster to put inside. I always keep mine in there. And then the bottom of this one has little, let me fix this. It's a little wonky on the one side. There we go. So it has 4 feet on the bottom as well to protect it if you have to set it down. So there's that. And then there's that. Okay, so down inside this is a cute little duster. And then here is, oh, that is a matching, it's like a little matching, is that for your keys and such? Yes. So here's this, so you could even like keep extras, like an extra house key, an extra door key to your vehicle in case you lock them in. Even if you have like a chip to your vehicle, you can just do a regular mechanical door key, keep in here, because if you ever lock yourself out, you have it. Or if you ever do lose your keys, at least that's the cuts to your key and saves you money. I know, because I'm in that industry. But I do like that you can keep like even like your spare keys or your extra keys, put it in here, attach it to your purse, and if you ever need them, they're there. So I like the fact that you can use this as like your emergency or your backup keys, or you can use it for your everyday keys if you want to use something like this to put it in. And it's like this almost exact same color, blue. That is really cute. I like that. So there's that, and I like that it matches, and I like that it has its own little tiny duster. That is so cute. Okay, so now we have, it looks like there are some tattoos. It says love story. It looks like there's going to be silver and gold. So it's just like little body tattoos that you can put on you. Super cute. I have enough real tattoos, but I think that is really cute, especially for the summer, going out to the beach and that kind of thing. Give you a little sparkle. So there's that. And then down inside of here is a whole bunch of stuff. Holy moly. Okay, so there's that. So my purse says, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen our Antonia especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $165. Antonia is part of our latest collection. It comes in navy, walnut, and rose. What's to love about this bag? Crossbody and shoulder strap. So even with the longer one, you can use it as a crossbody as well. BOLZANO logo in sleek silver finish. Multiple organizational pockets. 2 open exterior pockets, interior zipper pockets, and 2 zipper pockets. And if you want to know what the pink, because they like the rose, that's what it would look like in the rose color, like a pinkish color, which I'm super glad that I got blue because that's my favorite color. So that is the type of purse that came in this month's bag, is the Antonia. Then we have is this really cute little makeup bag. And it does have a little thing like that. It was protected with this, which I took off. And let's open this up and see. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here, you guys. Okay, so here's a little mirror that's down inside of here. Here is, ooh, this is a Swarovski crystals. It's a necklace. So here's this guy. The item number for this one is 8465 if you were interested in this particular one. So there's that. That's very cute. And then we have 2 different lip pencils. These are by Desi, D-E-S-I, liners. And one is in a true red and one is in a frosted pink. So there's those 2 colors right there. So there's 2 lip liners, and then there's 2 nail polishes. There's a clear. This is the same brand, DESI. Here's a clear. And then this is almost like a mauve. I mean, not a mauve, like a burgundy. It almost looks black right there. But it looks like it's is it brown? Hold on. No, it's gotta be, no. It's like a dark purple. So you could kind of see the dark purple on there now. So you have a really dark purple and a clear. So 2 different nail polishes, 2 different lip liners, really cute. And then there is this a brush? I don't want to break it. Oh, okay, so maybe this is like a travel brush. So you use that, brush your hair, and then close it up to keep the bristles and stuff clean and protected. So it's like a travel brush. And then inside here, there was this little mirror, and then there's little pockets too. So that's a really cute little bag because you can actually organize them and set inside instead of just tossing all your stuff inside of it. You have little pockets and it comes with this little mirror. So that's a very cute bag. Then you have a brush, nail polish, lip liners. You have this little cute guy, and then you have a wireless speaker and this necklace. Holy moly, that is a whole lot of accessories to go with it, and I'm really liking this blue purse. I really like the style and I really like the color, and I like that it's silver as the accent color and not gold. So there's that. So you guys, comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the bag this month? What did you think of all of these accessories? I think this was a really good month. Okay, you guys, if you want to know a little bit more about BOLZANO bags, you can use my code SheCraftyGift. Now you have to pick which subscription you would like and put it in your cart before cashing out. And when you have that one in your cart, then go to the search bar and put in SheCraftyGift. And then it'll come up and it'll be added to your cart with no extra value, but it'll be added to your cart, and you're gonna get a free gift upon signing up. So your very first bag, you're gonna get a free gift valued up to $45 by using my code. Now, the purse and accessory monthly is $33.95 per month. If you do 3 months, it'll be $101.85. 6 months would be $203.70, or 12 months would be $366.66 for the entire year, one bag every month. Or you can do the Luxe Handbag Accessories and Beauty Monthly, which is $43.95. And that should be what they sent here because I have the accessories and I have the beauty products as well. And this one will be the $43.95. If you do 3 months, it's $129.90. 6 months is $255.96. Or 12 months altogether would be $505.89. Comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So thank you again, BOLZANO, for sending me your bag. Oh, and these tattoos are in there too. There's a whole lot of accessories this month, you guys. So definitely comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.